Alright everybody, Model Man Frank here. So I got a propeller for the Minimoa, though I am not too satisfied with the size of this prop. I'm trying to see whether I should get a bigger one, like a bigger prop, and put it in here. But at this point in time, this prop doesn't fit in here. The big problem here is on this Minimoa is this motor came from another glider a family member gave to me. The glider wasn't in the greatest of condition. It was in pretty bad shape, and I got this motor from it. The only thing is that the shaft on this motor is only 2 millimeters, and I can't find a prop that'll fit it. I found this one on Amazon. So I got this model, I got this prop for it, and as you can see, it's pretty small. It doesn't give enough thrust to hover the model itself. It does put on a good fan, but that's about it. So I don't know what else I'm going to do. At this point in time, I'm just going to continue putting the model back together, and I'll try and I'll most likely definitely fly it and see if it'll fly with this motor. I doubt it will, but of course, you know, the only thing you can do is try. So until then, this will be the prop for it. Here are the wings. I strengthened this area here. Most likely I'm probably going to end up gluing the wings back on, gluing the wings on permanently. The model is so small. This is not the actual size of this model. This model is meant to have a 120-inch wingspan on it. This plane doesn't have that. This is a smaller wingspan of this plane. I think this is about 50 or 60 inches. The plans came from somebody that doesn't do printing of blueprint. So I'm working with what I've got for right now. I will eventually get a larger set of blueprints for it, but right now, not at this time. At this point in time, it's just get the model back together, get it back up and flying, and hope it flies really well. This is what's going on right now as of it. This is the battery I'm going to be using for the motor. It is a Tattoo 800. It's got 2 cells, and it puts out enough power for it. So also the reason I went with a smaller battery is so I can fit it inside the cockpit. There will be a little hatch that'll go right here. So for right now, that's what's going on with the Minimoa. Model Man Frank out.